Lift your presser foot. Line the needle up with the beginning of the line on the paper. Lower the needle into the paper using the hand wheel on the right side of the sewing machine. Lower your presser foot. Make sure your fingers are away from the needle. As you sew, line up the paper line with the mark on the center of the presser foot. Control the paper as it feeds into the sewing machine. Gently press on the foot pedal to start sewing. Stop sewing just before the line turns 90 degrees. Use the hand wheel and turn it towards you until the needle is lowered into the paper at the corner. Raise the presser foot and pivot the paper 90 degrees. Make sure your paper line is lined up with the line on the presser foot. Lower the presser foot and proceed to sew to the next corner and repeat at each corner. When you have sewn over all the lines on the paper, lift the presser foot and raise the needle up using the hand wheel. Slide the paper out to the left. You can hold the paper up to the light to see how straight you sewed. Next, you will thread the sewing machine and practice sewing on fabric. Fold a small piece of fabric in half. Lift up the presser foot. Line up the fabric under the needle a 1/4 inch from the side of the fabric. The larger part of the fabric should always be to the left of the needle. Lower the needle into the fabric. Lower the presser foot. Sew 2 to 3 stitches. Reverse back over the stitches. Continue forward until you are a 1/4 inch from the end of the fabric. Make sure the needle is in the fabric. Lift the presser foot. Turn the fabric 90 degrees. Lower the presser foot. Continue to sew forward and stop a 1/4 inch from the end of that side. Pivot at each corner until you reach the beginning of your stitching. Back stitch again at the end of your stitching. You should have sewn a rectangle a 1/4 inch in from the edge of your fabric. To remove the fabric from the sewing machine, lift up the presser foot. Turn the hand wheel towards you to lift up the needle and to raise the take-up lever all the way up. Pull the fabric to the left and use the slot on the left side of the sewing machine to cut the thread.